Hi everyone, Adam here, and today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the Arka Book 11.6-inch Windows 10 laptop. It is an exclusive to eBay and it comes with 12 months of Microsoft 365 Personal and is a great entry into Windows 10 computing. So, let's take a look, shall we? First things first, we have this box, which is actually really nice. I'm really used to seeing laptops arrive in your usual brown cardboard boxes, and this is frankly quite refreshing to see. But of course, we need to get it out of the box, so excuse me whilst I quickly do that. And here it is, the Arka Book. Picking it up, first thing you're going to notice is actually its weight. It has a very lightweight design and weighs in at just 1 kilogram. So we're talking a pack of pasta or a bag of sugar type weights here. It's also got a very small footprint with the whole laptop taking up less surface than an A4 piece of paper. So portability wise, you're going to be doing very nicely here. Another thing you notice as we open it up is actually the style of it. It has a rubberized outer surface, so even with this slim design, you can rest assured that this will be pretty safe in most hands. We then have the screen. I'm gonna peel this lovely little thing off. Oh, that is satisfying. This features a full HD IPS display, so whether you're multitasking or watching a movie, you've got solid screen quality from a range of angles. If we look down the sides here, you'll be pleased to know that despite its slim body, we actually have a nice range of ports here with 2 USB 3 sockets on one side and the other. You've also got the power socket, mini HDMI, USB-C as well, and as well as that, of course, the lovely headphone jack, and then finally we have the SD card slot. So you can actually expand the memory here as well, up to 128 gigabyte for those who are interested. This laptop also supports, of course, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Finally, we can have a look at this keyboard and trackpad. So this keyboard has been ergonomically designed to make the most out of the space it has, and you actually find it quite comfortable to type on. The trackpad itself is also nice and large, considering the size of the laptop as well. So the whole experience feels natural and comfortable. We've also got twin speakers and a microphone built in, plus a standard VGA webcam for video calls. So that's about all we can look at by getting it out of the box. So let's turn it on, shall we? So you can see here that we already have this one set up, and the good news is that if you're going to be taking this out with you, you're going to be pretty good on the battery life. This has up to 14 hours of battery life on a single charge that will easily cover you if you're out for the day. Now, the Arka Book is part of the Windows 10 entry collection, so it features a dual-core Intel Celeron processor, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 64 gigabytes of eMMC storage. For you browsers out there, this is a great device for having a few web pages open, maybe you're streaming your favorite shows, stuff like that, whatever the case might be. And as we said earlier, if you do want to increase the storage, you do have a micro SD card slot on the side, which goes up to 128 gigabyte. And you also have an awesome feature called Storage Sense, which automatically creates space in your device when you need it most. Not only that, but you can also take advantage of the cloud storage from this next bit. The Arka Book comes with a 12-month subscription to Microsoft 365 Personal, which is easy to activate. You just open up any of the Office applications, confirm your account and all your details, and that's pretty much done. This also gives you access to a terabyte of OneDrive cloud storage that works seamlessly with your File Explorer. So for instance, if you were running out of storage space on the laptop itself, you can have your files stored in the cloud, yet still accessible via the File Explorer. Really handy for accessing that collection of photos you'll have. And as well as that, you get access to the full suite of Office, so Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, the absolute lot, plus benefits such as premium templates, technical support, and much, much more. Lastly, the Arka Book gives you that Windows 10 experience. So out of the box, it has Windows 10 Home in S mode, meaning you are kept extra secure via Windows Security with performance that lasts by downloading applications from the Microsoft Store. And if you're a parent watching this, remember that you can create your own family group. Just add or create Microsoft accounts for your family via the settings menu. Then you can go online and keep track of your children's activity, set screen time limits for Windows 10 and of course Xbox, add credit to their accounts like digital pocket money, as well as gain access to a family OneNote for chores and planning, as well as a family calendar via Outlook to plan your next adventure. So there you have it. That is the Arka Book 11.6-inch laptop, an affordable laptop to use as maybe your second device at home for browsing, social media, maybe children's first Windows device, along with that full year subscription to Microsoft 365 Personal. And remember that this is available exclusively on eBay.